sweetie pie, and welcome back to my channel. We're talking about sex on the peach. Okay, today I wanted to talk about these products. I've actually had these in my shop, my stash, and I did buy this at the VIB sale because I wanted to try out some more of these like peach products. I don't have the peach palette from Too Faced. I don't have like the matte peach palette either. These are the first products that I've been trying from the line, and I think this is a killer deal breaker for people that don't want to spend a whole ton of money and want to try a bunch of products. This is awesome. So yeah, if you guys would like to see you know, what I thought of this product, and I'm going to show you what's in the box and kind of tell you a rundown of this stuff, then stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to try on the mascara. My skin is dry to normal, so for all you dry to normal people that want to try out these like mattifying products, I have the tea on what it was like for me. That rhymes. Alright guys, so yeah guys, I'm excited because I did have a lot of luck with these products. So when you get this box, it's literally just this like super cute little box, size of my hand, thickness, and it has like the sex on the peach. And what you get in this box, this is $55 Canadian. I don't really know what it's in American. I'm going to assume it's like $45 in American, but for my Canadian ass, it is $45. 45? 55. $55. Oh my gosh. So in this container, in this box, in this set, you get a miniature of their Too Faced Primed and Peachy. This is their Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream, and there is 20 mils. Now this is a pretty beautiful package, like in all honesty, and it comes which I thought was a really awesome touch for this set. You also get the full size of the Peach Perfect Setting Powder. This is a lot of powder. Like if you end up loving this powder, it's a lot. It has 35 grams in there. Researched the actual powder itself, it's $40. So in itself, the powder is $40. I think the Better Than Sex mascara, which is what you also get in here, hence Sex on the Peach, they're Better Than Sex mascara, and you get a full size of this. This is what I'm going to be showing you today because I believe they're exactly the same. They're the same wand, everything, but this packaging is, of course, better than their mini, but you know, it's the same mascara inside. I haven't seen a difference when I bought the full size to the mini. I don't know if that's for every single mascara I've tried because I haven't bought a ton of like high-end mascaras, but you also get a small bottle of their mattifying setting spray. And this one is a 30 mil. Now the only thing is, I find this sprayer, if you're not careful, it can create a lot of dots. It smells beautiful, but the like second ingredient is alcohol in this. So if you don't like those really, you know, alcohol based, you're not gonna like this one. And it says 6 to 8 inches away, so yeah, I guess sometimes I may hold it a little bit close, but it's just probably not the same sprayer as you would get in the full size. And it has it's a shaker, so you know that there's like powder kind of in the bottom, and that's what it makes it matte. Anyway, so now I'm just going to go through each product and kind of tell you what it was like on my drier skin. I think that if you're interested in these products, this is a great bundle to get, especially if you're most interested in the powder, because it's $40 in itself and it's only $55 Canadian for the set. So let's go into what I think of each item. The first item that I wanted to talk about, as you saw, is the Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I use this in a Get Ready With Me. It's probably up on my channel already, so I will link it up here, and as well as all these products. I used them all. The only thing I didn't use was the Better Than Sex Mascara, which I'm going to put a little clip in of what it looks like with no eyeshadow. Anyway, this is pretty good. Now, I'm a dry girl, so sometimes I don't get flashback with this, but it is a very, very thin powder. So if you are expecting any coverage from your powder, this is not going to give it to you. But if I use something like my Tarte Maracuja Oil Concealer, which is super high coverage, putting this on top of it, it just erases all the lines in my face. This is it on top of a lighter coverage, so you can see a little bit of darkness, but it's just this very pretty peachy powder. It smells amazing. If you like peaches, obviously this kit is going to be for you, and it's very like sweet, those peach rings type of smell. The only thing about the packaging that I am not absolutely in love with is they have the spinny top, and then inside they have this, and it's so cute. It has the little peach. The only thing is that the perforated lid does not allow for powder to get in here. So what I find myself doing is literally taking it and dumping it out into the cap, and then not using everything that's in the cap, and having to kind of, it's a little bit powdery, but having to keep it kind of upside down or remember to flip it, because there's always going to be excess powder in the cap. Not that big of a deal, but something I did want to mention. My back is super itchy. It's probably my hair. Anyway, then we've got the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Now, I didn't look on the box. Is dimethicone like... So I actually looked at the box. Dimethicone's pretty low on the ingredients scale. They have glycerin, water, nothing like too intense. They do have the talc, and I think the reason why I like the peach setting powder more than I do, like, you know, a Makeup Forever setting powder, or what's another setting powder that I'm not super keen on? I'm sure there's more out there, but this one, it has cornstarch in it, and I think that makes for a much more blurred and smoother application. I could be wrong, but that's just what I think. And anyway, so this I can only use on my T-zone and my chin and a little bit on my forehead. I'm dry girl, so anything outside on the perimeter, it does not work with this. It just kind of emphasizes my dryness a little bit. It is a mattifying setting powder, or a mattifying primer. So, you know, you're expecting that. I did think it improved the pores a little bit, but not a whole ton. It does mattify, and yeah, I do like the smell. It is cool to the touch. It is a thicker pink liquid, not liquid, like cream. And when you rub it in, it doesn't really pill up, but you do want to be more careful not to super rub it into your skin. And using a brush, I don't know if I would do that, just because I feel like it could pill a little bit. So the last thing, other than the mascara, is the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. I find the same thing with this. I really do enjoy putting it on like my T-zone. I don't think I love looking super matte around the outside of my face. I do like it on the inside. It's just kind of a weird sort of thing I don't understand, but I'm going to use these again. I think that if I'm not so dry, like in the summertime when I'm sweating my butt off, which will be soon, I'm sure, I'm going to love these two because I sweat a lot at work, and having a mattifier that kind of stops my makeup from flying everywhere is so good. Now I'm just going to show you what the Too Faced Better Than Sex looks like, which, let's be serious here, everybody knows what this looks like, but I wanted to throw it in there just in case you're like younger and you're looking for this set as like a set that you're going to use, especially if you are oily skinned. Then let's just put that in right here. As you can see, I love this mascara. It makes your, like, oh, it's like feather lashes, and they're so fanned out. I love, love, love the wand on this mascara. I just love this mascara. It was one of the first high-end mascaras I used, and I was pretty happy with it. But yeah, guys, I feel like my voice has given out a little bit during this video, but I always want to get out so much information to you guys, and I'm always like blah, blah, blah. So I think maybe my voice just gets a little bit more dry than the normal everyday person, I guess. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do enjoy these products. The least, like if I had a least favorite and a most favorite, I would say that tying with most favorite is the powder, and this, I'm going to use the crap out of this powder because I've used it all over my face and it doesn't have any super shimmery, glimmery. It's just a very translucent, pretty powder. And least favorite would probably be the, rolling around here, would probably be the setting spray, just because I feel like I'm not super into like really mattifying setting sprays. Like I like the Dewy Skin Mist, I like the hyaluronic one. I'll just grab it. I like this one, the Hydrating Milky Mist from Peachy. I use quite a bit of powder products, so I even have the Evian one. If you're careful, you won't get watermarks. And also, if you're trying to wet a brush or something, it's amazing. I know it's expensive, but I got it for like $8. I don't think I would have bought it for the extreme price that some of them are. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day. If you guys enjoy the look that I'm wearing, again, my Get Ready With Me, it will be up in the cards and probably down below, and maybe right here, if I can remember. If not, there's another great video right here and probably right below it. And make sure that you go check me out because, you know, I think I'm a cool girl. Anyway, guys, I love you guys so much and have a wonderful day. Bye!